In this video, I will show you how to change your Twitter username. As for now, you can only change your Twitter username on web through your browser. And the first thing is to go to account info, then settings and support down here. And from there, you need to go to settings and privacy, then your account and account information. And as you can see, you need to enter your password to confirm your account, and after that you can go on to change your username. And if your Twitter account is verified, you may not be able to change your username, and your new username needs to be available in order to save it and use it. It should also be longer than 4 characters, featuring only letters, numbers or underscore. You can also consider these usernames suggested here by Twitter. The last thing is to save your new username, which will now become your new Twitter handle. And if you want to change your normal name too, then you can do so when editing your profile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.